Welcome to our tutorial on adding varnish to a postcard with the help of the coating editor. The coating editor is available as an option in the Prinect PDF Toolbox. My name is Carolyn Healy and I'm working for Prinect service. We'll now show you how to create a spot colour called varnish for this PDF using the coating editor. After that, we'll print the postcard on your digital press with the help of the Prinect DFE. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. You'll find the PDF Toolbox with the coating editor in Plugins. Create a new varnish colour. Give it a descriptive name. We'll name our patch Varnish because the elements will be printed with varnish later on. Select Transparent as the type. For normal spot colours, you'd select Opaque in this case. Enter a colour value. The colour that you select at this point is not important. It just shows you where it will be used and will be replaced later in the DFE by the spot colour set there. You can now simply add text or elements with varnish or spot colours. You can check your new colour in the Output Preview. Close the coating editor and go to Output Preview with Tools and Print Production. This shows you the varnish spot colour you just created. We can now output the postcard in the Prinect DFE. Add your PDF file to a job by dragging and dropping it there. We can now set the spot colour to be printed. Go to the colour settings to do this. The colour created with the coating editor is listed here. Set Transparent as the varnish type. Select Special Printing Unit to print using the 5th printing unit. If you don't select this, the machine would print the mixed colour set in the coating editor and not varnish. We have now defined all relevant settings and can return to the digital printing step. Using the plus sign, you can add a sequence template with matching settings that you created in advance. Working with templates saves you the trouble of having to define print settings again. You can view how to create a sequence template in the first video. In the preview, the imposed job displays immediately because of the sequence template. You can check the settings in the Layout Settings tab. Select Print Varnish in Spot Colours in the Colours tab. You can set high inking from case to case, depending on your quality demands. Submit the job to the press. Enter the delivery quantity you need in this box. When you confirm your data, you send your job to the press. You can find more information about operation of the Prinect cockpit by pressing the F1 key.